Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be changing an air filter in a Polaris Ranger 150 2020. So the first thing we're going to want to do is find where the air filter goes in. It's an air filter cartridge. And there's going to be two clamps on the side of this cartridge holder. And this will just come straight off. Inside here, you're going to find the air filter. And to take this out, there's no threads or anything. You just got to kind of grab it and pull back and kind of rock it back and forth gently. It's just a pressure fit. Right there. So this is a brand new filter. I just took out the old one before I started taping here. But you can see my kids ride this Ranger and a lot of dust. So I could have maybe waited a little bit longer for the filter change, but I just want to stay on top of it. So we're gonna go ahead and do it today. Now that you got the old filter out, you're gonna want to take a paper towel and just wipe all the junk out of here. I found really thick dust in here, really black stuff. Just get it all wiped out, get this all nice and clean. And then next, you're going to want to open up your new air filter. One of the first things I saw is there's some silicone on the inside here for the pressure fitting, which is designed to keep dust out and make it more of an airtight fit. So when you're putting this in, once again, just kind of rock it in there and kind of twist it. That way you can get the silicone kind of spread around to make a tighter fit. And this whole housing is on a bracket, so you can it kind of moves when you push it in, so you can straighten that back out. And the first time I did this, there's a gasket right in here, and it fell out on the ground, and I didn't notice it till I was going to put the new filter back in. So make sure that gasket is in there tight and flush to help make more of an airtight seal in here. Next thing you're going to want to do is get the end cap here. And as you can see, there's a notch here and a notch, or not a notch, a piece that goes inside of this notch here. So that's how you know how to line it up. And then you have, once again, these two brackets. This clamp holds this down. This clamp goes right on this side here. And that will hold that tight. Kind of just look around to make sure it looks like everything's sitting nice and flush. And then once again, kind of straighten this out because it's on a bracket that kind of gets bumped around. So anyway, I just used a factory engine air filter for this. Polaris was actually had them on back order, so I had to wait quite a while. I'd say probably out 2 or 3 weeks, maybe just a little bit longer than that, to get this. So I probably next time will order a few just to have them on hand since they're on back order. Also, I was having trouble finding the engine oil filter too. Just to reference that if you're going to be getting parts for this, you might want to order a couple filters at a time because they seem to be harder to find. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box down below. Otherwise, like the video and subscribe. If there's anything I can be doing better, please let me know. This is my first video working on the Polaris Rangers 150, and any positive feedback would be amazing. Thanks.